How to create a Target account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily create a Target account. Now first things first, what you want to do is you want to head into your browser on any of your device and you want to search in for target.com, as I've done so on the screen. You can see I'm on target.com, the official Target web page. Now here what you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen that you can see beside the cart icon. Once you tap on it here, you can see sign in option and create account option. If you wish to simply sign in, if you already have an account, you can simply tap on sign in and sign into your account. If you wish to create account, simply tap on create account and it will take you to the account creation or registration page. Once here, you want to simply enter in your email address, enter in your first name, enter in your last name, and if you want you can enter in your phone number and then simply create your password and simply tap on create account. Once you tap on create account, it might send a confirmation code to your email that you have registered your account with, and you want to simply head into your email, open the mail and then verify your account and you'll be good to go. So this way you can easily create a Target account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.